Everybody, myself Raghuveer Jha. Today we will read properties of triangles. There are two properties of triangle. The first property is the sum of all the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. The second property is that in a triangle the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. In worksheet 2, first we read that sum of all the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. All the problems are related on this fact. In worksheet 3, all the problems are related on the fact that the sum of two sides in a triangle is greater than the third side. Today we will read worksheet 2 of unit 16. First we consider the property that sum of all the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Let us observe the given picture. In a triangle ABC, we observe that here are three angles. The angles are angle BAC and angle ABC and angle ACB. The measure of angle BAC is equal to 50 degree. The measure of angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. And the measure of angle ACB is equal to 70 degree. Here we observe that the sum of all the three angles is equal to 60 degree plus 50 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 110 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Let us find out the third angle of a triangle in the given figure when other two angles are given. In this figure we are given the measure of two angles. Angle A is equal to 35 degree and angle B is equal to 65 degree. We have to find out the measure of angle C. As we know that the sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree, here sum of two angles, that means angle A and B, is equal to 65 degree plus 35 degree is equal to 100 degree. Hence from properties of triangle, the third angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. We consider a question that can we draw a triangle with two right angles? Also we have to give its reason. As we know that the sum of all the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we cannot construct a triangle in which there are two angles will be right angle, because sum of all the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Here sum of two angles is itself equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So this is not possible to draw a triangle in this situation. Now I give you some problem to solve in the class. The problems are that in first question, find which of the following can be the measure of the three angles of a triangle. Here you have to write the correct answer. In A, the angles are 35 degree, 80 degree, 65 degree. In B, angles are 70 degree, 70 degree, 70 degree. In C, angles are 25 degree, 85 degree, 70 degree. In D, angles are 65 degree, 85 degree, 40 degree. In question 2, can you draw a triangle with two obtuse angles? Give reasons. In question 3, find the missing angle in each of the following figure. In question 4, two angles of a triangle are 100 degree and 55 degree respectively. Find the measure of third angle. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you. In homework, complete worksheet 2 of chapter 16.